I'm wondering how this car will turn out. The front grid and the wet in combination looks like an interesting shot, so I'm shooting it in black and white. On my Nikon Coolpix A. That's such a cool building. The silver metallic, the shapes of the windows, kind of grid shaped. Make an interesting composition in black and white. So I'm shooting that on my Nikon Coolpix A. See how it comes out. And as I turn to my right, there's a figure walking along and a car coming, so I'm just grabbing that shot, see if it has any power in the image. It's always good in the rain because you might come across some reflections that maybe make an interesting photograph. So I found this puddle, and if I get low I can kind of get the boats in the backdrop, and shooting in black and white really gives you the shape of the thing and the subjects reflected in the water, the puddle. So I'm going to shoot that with my Nikon Coolpix A in black and white and see if it works. And then coming away from that, there's this metallic structure that has got so much potential. So I'm taking another shot. See if it comes up trumps. But it's a nice area around here. Kind of modern architecture and structures and boats and water reflections. Sometimes you get the occasional street scene. Could possibly one up there. Just as I was getting close, he moved his leg because I like the study of body language. A nice scene with the crane building the wet surface. of buildings in here. It's kind of Russian, bleak, modern buildings in certain cities, open spaces.